Alright, here's a short review of the Nessxa air compressor off Amazon. This is the 8-gallon version with 1.5 horsepower motor. 110 volt. Here's the pressure gauge, and this is the silent version. Here's the muffler. I'm going to show you the comparison between my old Central Pneumatic 1.5 horsepower 6-gallon air compressor. This thing is considerably louder. And here's the new one. Way quieter, but I'm going to show you a hack. So get you some rubber tubing. I forget what size this is. I think it's like 3/8. But figure out what size tubing would fit good in this muffler. I had some in my garage. Stick this tube in here and it'll make it even quieter. It's insanely quiet. Watch.
Here's the Nessxa compressor. I just want to take a video because I mostly got it because my old compressor, this one, was way too loud. I was hoping this would be a lot quieter. So here's the sound difference. That was my old one, and here's the new one. It's definitely a bit quieter, and the tone is a lot lower, which makes it way less annoying. So, pretty happy with it. We'll see how it works out, but I like that it's a little bit quieter and not as ear-piercing.
ठीक है।